In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. If you are working on a document and need to start a new section on a fresh page, Google Docs makes it very simple. This is especially useful when you want better formatting, cleaner organization, or a more professional layout without manually pressing Enter over and over again. Using a page break is the correct way to create a blank page because it keeps your document neat and easy to edit later. To begin, open your Google Docs file and look through your document carefully. The first thing you need to do is place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. This is important because Google Docs will insert the blank page at that precise location. So, if you want the next paragraph, heading, image, or section to start on a new page, click right before that content. Take a second to make sure your cursor is in the correct spot before moving on. Once your cursor is in place, go to the top of the screen and click Insert. This opens a drop-down menu with different options for adding elements into your document. You don't need to choose anything right away, just open the menu and look for the option labeled Break. Next, move your pointer over Break. When you hover over it, another small menu will appear. This menu gives you different kinds of breaks you can insert. And the one you want here is Page Break. A page break tells Google Docs to stop the current page at your cursor and move everything after it onto a brand. New page. Now click Page Break. As soon as you do, Google Docs will instantly create a new blank page at your cursor's location. If there was text after the cursor, that text will move to the next page. If your cursor was at the end of a section, you'll now have a clean blank page ready for new content. That's all it takes. A quick tip: avoid creating blank pages by repeatedly pressing the Enter key, because that can make formatting harder to manage if you later add or remove text. A page break is much cleaner and more reliable. And that's how to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a fast and easy way to control the structure of your document.